Yo, morning, Cheds. It is the first of the month, August 1st. And yeah, we got the installation getting ready to get going. Let me show you the installation right quick. Owens Corning Pink Next Gen Fiberglass. Yeah, got pink paint on it. Dun, 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 dun. This is the installation I'm putting in. So yeah, this is the installation that's going in. The walls, ceilings, pretty much everywhere. So yeah, man, they about to get started. The team's behind me, so yeah. So yeah, the squad's here. They're getting ready, getting dressed up, getting ready to get all this in there. They're getting dressed up because you know the fiberglass is dangerous. So be safe at all times, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, once they're done with it, I'll show you the footage afterwards. So stay tuned. As you can hear, you know, we're going down the stairs of the basement. Today, this is insulation, right? So you hear the reverb as me coming downstairs and things of that nature, right? But watch, as soon as we take this step down, right? Listen to the difference. It just got so quiet. It just got so quiet, yo. Let's go back. Let's rewind. So when we go down these steps, right? So you hear how like the reverb is in the background, things of that nature. But as soon as I step in this room, pure silence. Pure silence. That is crazy. This is all insulation right here. Insulation. All this. You know, this right here was up here. I ain't want to touch it because I thought it was a bird nest or something. I'm like, tweet. I'm like, nah, I ain't finna do with that, nah. But as you can see back here, I have to come in like in the daytime or something. But back here, also insulation. All in every room. It is so quiet. So quiet. Oh, I love me some quiet. Now. I think the only thing that's left, right, is up top. Because that was already up here when I moved in this house. We're going to go ahead and update this up here. All this is going to be insulated with this as well. You know what I can do with vlogs and unboxing and music and parodies and jingles and... My mind, too many ideas. Update, Chads. The ceiling is insulated. So you remember the white insulation that we had up there? It's now gone, or it's probably pushed up. I don't know. Either way, it is updated. Every piece of the ceiling in each section has this insulation done. So this is the main area. This is the bathroom. It's fully insulated. This is the green screen room, which is fully insulated. And then this is the unboxing room. And it's fully insulated. We are 100% insulated in this section here, and I am so excited for that. So that only means one thing, guys. Drywall is coming. We're gonna get the bathroom done. Then the flooring is next. Hopefully, after all that is done, we get some power in here. I have to say it's ahead of time. Chances are we may not get it done before my birthday, which is September 1st. However, I'm just excited that the basement is done. This is a heck of an investment. This is a lot of hard work by the team. I just want to thank every last one of you guys for being a part of this project. I will say this, man, hard work pays off. When people tell you that you're not able to do anything based off of what you love doing, I love gaming, I love music, I love entertainment, I love what I do. And all of this is based off of what I love doing. So thank everybody for supporting me from day 1 to day 3,000 and something, because I've been doing it for a very long time. But thank you very much. Our journey continues, so make sure you hit that like, comment, share, subscribe button, hit that bell for more content. Until then, guys, GG's.